So for the longest time, creating audio or converting text into audio in ElevenLabs is only possible if you're using the desktop version. But fortunately, the company just added a new app that is available for both iOS and Android phones, and you can now start utilizing the text-to-speech feature from ElevenLabs. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can download, how you can use the new ElevenLabs app on your phone, and how you can download the audio that you just created and where you can find the file on your phone, especially on your Android phone. Now, let's go to the tutorial. First, if you're using Android, you can navigate to Google Play Store and you can search for an app called ElevenLabs and make sure that it is ElevenLabs, not Eleven Reader, which is the previous version of ElevenLabs. Be sure to use the keyword ElevenLabs, and then you can click ElevenLabs. Again, do not use Eleven Reader, it is completely different app. Click ElevenLabs and then you can install, and then you can open the app. And then you can log in with your account. You can click this icon to log in, and then you can provide your username and email, username and a password, and then you can log in with your account. So here, as a demonstration, I'll try to create some audio from text. Basically, it is text-to-speech feature. I'm going to just copy and paste the text right here. And then you can select the model. You can click at this icon. So there is 11 version 3, 11 multilingual version 2, version Turbo 2.5, etc. But I would try to use the latest model, which is, I would say, a lot easier to use, and also the settings is not as complicated as multilingual version 2, but feel free to use the previous model if you want to. Now I'll select the stability setting to be natural, and then I can select the voice. So unfortunately, there is no sort of filter where you can select the voice based on the model you're using, but you can still explore other voice. You can also apply some sort of filters. It is not based on the model, it's just based on the accent, use cases, the age, and also the gender of the voice. So it's not quite the same as in the desktop version, but I think still very useful. Now I'm going to be using, let's say I'm going to be using Liam here. Let's try that voice.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about...
All right, so I'm using version 3, and that's why you can see that there is this tag, which is possible in version 3 to add some emotion into the text. And I can also add more speakers into the mix, but I think it's not necessary. I just want to use one voice. All right, now when you're done with all the settings and also the text and also the voice, you can click generate and just wait for it to turn the text into an audio.
The new ElevenLabs mobile app puts AI voice creation in your pocket. Generate realistic speech in 70+ languages instantly. Simply type, pick a voice, and download the file to your phone.
Yeah, that's why I really like version 3. It can easily change the emotion based on the instructions or text that you provided. Now, that was just a preview. You can click this icon again to preview the audio. And if you want to download this to your phone, you can tap on this icon and you can click Save Audio, click. And then you can click Save. So you can select the folder. By default, it's going to be selecting the download folder. Let's click Save. Okay, the audio clip has been saved into that location. Now, to find the file, you can go to the Files app or the File Explorer. It really depends on what Android skin you're using. In this case, I'm using the stock Android 12, and that's why I could use the Files app right here. And then navigate to the Downloads folder. And this is a file that I just downloaded. Let me open it.
The new ElevenLabs mobile app puts AI voice creation in your pocket. Generate realistic speech in 70+ languages instantly. Simply type, pick a voice, and download the file to your phone.
So that's basically how you can use the ElevenLabs mobile app to convert text into audio, just like this one. Yeah, that's quite simple actually. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.